Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can convert Roblox credit to Robux. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. You can see that I'm on my account's homepage. To convert the credit, simply minimize the Roblox application and open up any type of preferred browser. On the browser, just search for the site named roblox.com/redeem, and then Roblox redemption page will open up in front of you. Then it will ask you to log in with your Roblox account. Since I'm logged in, it didn't ask for it, and after logging in, the page will load up with the text bar in front of you. Inside the text bar, just enter your Roblox credit or redemption code, tap on redeem, and the credits will be transferred into your Roblox account in the form of Robux. And that's how you can convert Roblox credit to Robux. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.